Invisalign uses clear, removable trays instead of metal brackets to gently move teeth into a straighter position. Invisalign is a series of custom-made transparent plastic trays. Each tray is slightly different and moves teeth in small, controlled steps. Doctors commonly use aligners to treat crowding, gaps, mild overbites, underbites, crossbites, and relapse after previous braces treatment. Treatment starts with a full exam, X-rays, photos, and a digital scan of your teeth to check overall oral health. A 3D digital plan maps every tooth movement from start to finish. You review the predicted result before any aligners are made. Small, tooth-colored bumps called attachments may be bonded to certain teeth. They help the aligners grip and make complex movements possible. Aligners must be worn 20 to 22 hours a day. They are removed only for eating, drinking anything but water, and brushing. You switch to a new set every 1 to 2 weeks. Expect mild tightness for a day or two as teeth adjust. Checkups happen every 6 to 10 weeks. The orthodontist confirms teeth are moving as planned and adjusts if needed. Treatment typically lasts 6 to 18 months. Complex cases may take 2 years, depending on movements and consistent wear. Once treatment ends, attachments come off and retainers hold the new position. Without them, teeth tend to drift back. Aligners aren't for every case. Severe bite problems, large rotations, or inconsistent wear may push doctors toward fixed braces. When worn as planned, aligners deliver straighter teeth, better bite function, and easier cleaning, closely matching the digital preview. Did you know you can get this treatment abroad at the same quality you'd get in the US or Europe for a fraction of the cost?
Ginger Healthcare is one of the world's most trusted medical travel companies. It helps patients to find safe and affordable care in India, Thailand, Turkey, Singapore, Dubai, Malaysia, and more. Visit ginger.healthcare or check the description for details.